Samsung Smart Switch transfers everything from contacts, messages, photos and videos, apps, and even device settings. When your brand new Samsung Galaxy arrives at your front door, you must be there to sign and receive the package. We recommend having your phone at least 50% charge while transferring content. First, you must have the Samsung Smart Switch app downloaded on both phones. Download the app on your old phone by searching Smart Switch in either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Smart Switch should already be preloaded onto your new Samsung device. To start transferring content from your old phone, you will need the new Samsung-provided USB connector and your old phone's charger cable. Plug your old phone's charger and connect the end of it to the provided Samsung connector. Then, plug the connector into the new Samsung phone. On your new phone, select an application for the USB device. Click Smart Switch and choose between just once or always. In order to complete the transfer, you may need to go into your old phone setting and switch the USB preferences to File Transfer. If you need to do this like we do right now, your new Samsung phone will have a pop-up message letting you know. Once you've changed the USB preferences to File Transfer, click Receive on the new phone. Now, open the Smart Switch app on your old device. You'll be able to select all the content you want on the new device and click Transfer. The content from your old phone is currently being sent over to your new Samsung. Once the All Done message appears on both phones, click Close App on both phones. Samsung has made it so easy to transfer content, but if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, don't worry. Just head to your TCC store and have one of our professionals help you with setup assistance for just $29.99.